Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Mati from the Bitcoin Blueprint, and today I bring you a tutorial on Market Spotter, an indicator that gives you buy and sell signals, tells you when to buy and when to sell, not only for Bitcoin and crypto, but for any asset that you want to trade. So let's go straight to the charts and see how to use this wonderful indicator that works almost like magic. So this is how Market Spotter looks in the chart. Market Spotter is comprised of 3 different indicators that work together to give you the best buy and sell signals. But to understand each of these clearly, let's start with Market Spotter V1. So I'll take away 2 and 3 of the chart and let's just focus on V1. So Market Spotter V1 is this one right here in the bottom. It is a momentum-based indicator and gives you buy and sell signals. So the green triangle are strong buy signals, the red triangle are strong red signals, the blue dots are caution buys, and the yellow dots are caution sells. All right, so based on this indicator, you would buy when you get a green triangle or a blue dot, and you would sell when you get a yellow dot or a red triangle. All right, so let's take a look at Market Spotter V2 now. And Market Spotter V2 is a trend-based indicator as opposed to V1, which is a momentum-based indicator. And V2 also gives you buy and sell signals. So the blue diamonds are buy signals, the orange diamonds are sell signals, then the green diamonds are strong buys, and the red diamonds are strong sells. All right, so as you can see, Market Spotter 1 and 2, they both give you buy and sell signals. So how to decide which one to follow? We'll get to that in a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at Market Spotter 3. So Market Spotter 3 gives you areas of support and resistance in the chart. The areas of support, which are areas of high demand, when people are looking to buy the asset, in this case Bitcoin, are signaled by blue rectangles, as you can see here. The areas of resistance are signaled by red rectangles, as you can see here. The bigger the rectangle, the stronger that area is. All right. So the basic premise is that you want to buy in areas of support and sell around areas of resistance. But it's not always that easy. So Market Spotter, used combined with these areas of support and resistance, will give you the best entry and exit signals. So let's go ahead and see how I would personally trade this chart right here in front of me. First of all, I would like to buy close to areas of support and sell close to areas of resistance with a confirmation by Market Spotter 1 or 2, or even better, both at around the same time. So for example, right, I have this area of support right here, and you can see we have a strong buy on Market Spotter V2. And so if we would have entered this long right here, we could have exited right here at this strong sell signal that we have on V1. That's also coincides with this area of resistance right here. So then we have a strong sell right here on both V1, as we can see here, and V2 right here. So we could have entered a short on any of these candles. They are all around the same price, so it doesn't really matter that much. But then we can see we get a caution buy on both V1 and V2. However, this caution buy, it's right here inside an area of resistance. So I would ignore that signal because I want to enter buys close to areas of support and sells close to areas of resistance. So if we would have waited for the next buy at around the area of support, we could have waited till around this price at around 29,600. So you could have stayed on that short. That would have been your choice, and you could have made around 7% profit. With leverage, that would be, for example, with a 10x, that would be around a 70% profit. So then you can see we got a strong buy right here on V1, right inside this area of support, and another caution buy on V2 right here. So we could have entered anywhere between these two signals, and we could have exited this trade right here for a profit. Okay, we could have entered also a short right here, and then exited right here around this area of support, where we also get buy signals on both the indicators. That would have been another effective trade. Then we could have entered a long right here, because we're getting buy signals on both V1 and V2 inside an area of support. But we can see that unfortunately the price just starts ranging right here. So if we would have exited with these caution sells, we would have made maybe 0.1% profit, or 0 or minus 0.1. It doesn't matter. In the end, it's all about averaging out your trades. So very small wins or very small losses are something that we need to accept, that comes with trading, and then the big wins and the big losses will make the most part of our profits. So even if we would have entered a short right here with these sells around this area of support, which is not recommended, but we would have exited here with this buy signal, and then we would have entered a long right here, and we would have made all of this profit right here till this strong sell signal on V1, or till this caution sell signals on V2, which also coincide with this area of resistance that V3 is telling us. Then we would have entered a short either here with the signal on V1, or with the caution sells right here on V2, and we would have caught this dump perfectly and made all of this profit right here. And we see that we still don't have another buy signal over here, so we would still be inside of this trade. It's your choice though. If you entered, for example, a short, and now the price has gone to an area of support, then you can take some profit, and vice versa. If you enter a long and you still don't have an exit signal, but you're now at an area of resistance marked by marketspotter V3, then you can take partial profits and leave the rest of the trade open and running. All right. Another important thing about marketspotter V1 is that it also shows you areas of high volume, and also areas where the price is ranging. So when this shaded area is yellow or orangish yellow, that means that the price is ranging and there's not much volatility. So as you can see in these yellow areas, we won't make as big profits as on green or blue areas, or even red areas, which sometimes come up, which are areas of high volume and high volatility. You can see, for example, here we had bigger profits than at around these yellow areas, which are areas where the price is ranging. And then for marketspotter V2, another important and very, very useful addition that we have is that it shows you right here this EMA ribbon, which are these lines right here. As you can see, the green lines and the gray and the red lines right here. So when you see these green lines and the price jumps above and stays above these green lines, then that means that the trend is bullish, and we're going to look to enter more long trades than short trades. So we want to ride the trend up. When the areas are gray, like here or like here, it means that we are seeing a trend reversal. So the price might start migrating from bullish to bearish, or from bearish to bullish, like in this case right here. And then when we see these red lines, that means that the trend is bearish. So when the price comes below the ribbon, okay, that's a bearish signal, And then when this turns from green to gray and then to red, then that means that the trend is bearish, and we're going to be looking to enter more short than long trades. So have that in mind, the shaded areas on V1 and also the EMA ribbon on V2, and combined with the signals, the buy and sell signals, and with the support and resistance areas on V3, you will get the best signals, and you will make really good trades. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick market spotter tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. If you want to subscribe to Market Spotter, go to the link in the description. It's my personal referral link. So if you use that link, then you can let me know as well. I leave my contact information in the description. And by using my referral link, you can get my constant support as well as a nice discount using the code that I leave in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.